Got the radiator up on the bench today. Put a thing on here and put a plug and filled it up with water. And started investigating the area here where the leak is happening. There's a little tiny crack, kind of right in the center right there. I've been globbing, solder up here because I thought that was where the leak was, but it turns out it was right there at the bottom of the glob, basically. So I'm gonna try to get it soldered up here. All right, here we go. Let's do this thing. Flame on! Since this is a brass radiator, you can do this kind of stuff. Ah, hell. Ah, hell. There we go. That one good. That one took. I'm just gonna glob and hope. Glob and hope. You know what I mean? Alright. Should be good. Alright, let's fill this thing back up with water and see what happens. This is riveting. Oh no, we got a leak. Well. Cool. It looks like I fixed the leak because it's filled almost all the way up now and there's no water coming out of there. Oh, wait, nope. Yep, there's water coming out of there. Son of a bitch. Alright, I got the fancy soldering iron out. Cranked it up as hot as it would go. Got a little bit of grooving, and I'm gonna solder down into the gaps along the side of this channel to see if that will help anything. And it looks really grody and whatnot, but let's see if it holds. These are bad. Oops. Alright. What's it gonna be? Are you good? I don't see any water coming out of there. Of course, it's not pressurized, so once it's actually on the bike and full of coolant and pressurized, it might leak, but looks good so far. Alright. After some fiddling with the soldering iron and getting it in here with the highest temperature and fiddling and melting and doing all kinds of fun stuff, I think I got it. I pressurized this plug right here with everything else plugged up and accidentally put a little bit too much pressure in it. And this little dude exploded out and shot water everywhere, which of course meant it went all over these electrical panels and me. And I was like, oh great, I'm gonna die now, but I didn't. So that was cool.